Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just press Windows key plus R key together. But you can also go to the search bar and simply type here Task Manager and click here to open it. Then click on Run New Task and then select Browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then find out System32 folder, and then find out cmd.exe file. You can simply press C to get this file quickly. Here we go. Keep scrolling down until we find this file. Select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Now close the background windows, and here we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. Type in dism.exe space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and hit enter. So this command will take some time to complete the procedure, so we need to wait for it, and then we will execute the next command. And once done, simply type in sfc space / scan now, and we need to hit enter to execute this command. Again, this process will also take around 10 to 15 minutes. We need to wait for it, and then we will move to the next last command. And then we will execute chkdsk space c colon space /f space /r command, and we will hit enter to execute them. And there we go. Select Y and hit enter, and this volume will be checked the next time the system restarts, so we need to restart the system. Before that, we will just go into search. Just type here Windows memory diagnostic and hit it. Click on this and simply click on restart now and check the problems, and it will take 10 to 15 minutes to complete the all process and to fix this issue. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That's it guys, you're good to go.